Hey strangers, I just found out this really cool thing you can do in Live 2D. Also, it's been a while since we've been in Panda mode. Oh, hi! Did you know that with one simple button, you can have your scenes just set to where they're supposed to be? I didn't, but I learned today, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's easy. Double click on the main screen, as usual, and pull up your settings. Now, you want to go here to the hotkey and expression settings. Yep, right there. Right there. And you want to make a new hotkey. So scroll to the bottom, open the plus sign. Let's name this location 1. Now you click hotkey action. Move model. This has been right in front of my face for years and I never noticed it. Just click that, buddy. Just click it right there. And then record position. Boop. Now I am here. So you go over here and then you make a hotkey for it. Let's call it KU. Done. And then I hit KU and ha! Hoda! And then I want to go back to my other screen and I go hoda! It's amazing. And now you can change your OBS scenes with ease. And if you've got a Stream Deck, I'll show you how to get them all linked together so you don't have to worry about doing each one separately. It'll change your OBS scene and it'll change where your location is all at the same time. We'll do that in another video. Until next time, stay strange out there. Bob the Blob needs some caffeine. I need some caffeine. What?